Hi, today I'm showing you how I sharpened my dull kitchen knife with a 3-step sharpener that I purchased from my local grocery store for less than $10. This brand of sharpener is like many of the 3-step sharpeners on the market at common retailers like Walmart or Amazon, or in my case, at the grocery store. I've read all the instructions that came with my sharpener, and they are very similar to instructions online from other brands, but if your sharpener comes with a set of instructions, I suggest you read through them before beginning. A few things to note about these types of 3-step sharpeners are: they are not for serrated knives or for scissors. Do not use a wet knife, it must be fully dry. Pull the knife in one motion toward you. Don't move the knife back and forth while sharpening. I will demonstrate how to use the sharpener after I go over the steps with you. The steps are: Step 1, diamond surface, which is the prep step. Step 2, tungsten steel, which is the sharpening step. Step 3, ceramic stone, which is the final polishing step. Your sharpener may be labeled 1, 2, 3, and you start with slot 1. If it's not labeled that way, start with diamond, then tungsten, then ceramic. I've also seen some 3-step sharpeners labeled fine, coarse, ceramic. You start with fine, then coarse, and last ceramic. Also, this sharpener can be used while holding the handle with either your right or left hand. To get started, place the end of your blade, which is closest to the knife handle, in slot 1, which is the diamond prep. While firmly gripping the handle of the sharpener, pull the knife toward you in one motion with steady, even pressure. Make about 4 passes. You can try a couple of times to get the feel for the motion. Now continue doing the same pulling motion toward you with step 2 in a steady downward motion. You will feel more resistance on step 2 than you will on step 1, as step 2 is the sharpening step. And then repeat the same pulling motion with step 3, making about 4 passes on each step. You will feel very little resistance on step 3. My knife came out nice and sharp. Now after I clean it, it's ready to use in the kitchen. After you've completed all 3 steps, use a wet cloth or paper towel to wipe off the blade, or you can rinse the blade in your sink and wipe clean. It will have small loose metal shards from the sharpening process, so be careful when handling the blade. Next, put down a dry cloth or paper towel under the sharpener. Turn the 3-step sharpener over and tap it on the cloth. Do not rinse the sharpener in water, it should remain dry. Discard your paper towel or rinse your cloth out well in the sink and wipe down your surface. Thanks for watching, and if you use a 3-step sharpener, let me know how it works for you.